So it's Chrissy Marie here, and we are finishing off the Anastasia series with this Sultry palette, and this palette is so cute. But yes, I really wanted to include this bloom color, which is a little like orangey, pinky, taupey look. I am so not good at explaining colors, but yeah, so I did incorporate the color in my look and in my eye makeup. I do know that I already did a pink Valentine's Day look, but this isn't a Valentine's Day look, although you can use it as one. But yeah, if you have this palette and you recreate this look, make sure you tag me in the picture on Instagram. But yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, continue to watch. I'm going to start off with the color Breach. After taking that color slightly in my crease, I'm going to then cut my eye the whole entire way. I am using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in a color medium 24, and I'm just going to speed up this process. You guys have seen me cut my crease multiple times, and yeah, I'm just going to speed up this process. After cutting my crease and letting that dry just slightly, I'm going to take the color Fresh and apply that to the inner corner only. And I'm just going to take Bloom and apply that to the middle part of my lid. And then you just want to blend out any of the sharp edges going from the Fresh color and the Bloom color. Then we're taking Dystopian, this matte brown color, and we're going to place this on the outer edge. I'm going to pack it in with the flat brush, and then I'm going to blend it out with the blending brush. And I'm just going to diffuse Bloom and Dystopian together. And then I just took this Rose Quartz color right here and lightly pressed a little on the Fresh color as well as the Bloom, just to give it some shimmer. Alright you guys, so after applying my lashes and my foundation, doing something with my hair, we're going to finish the look. I'm going to take a nude, keep it tight, always keep it tight, NYX eyeliner. This one, I don't know if you guys, if it's zooming in. I want to take this eyeliner and put it on my waterline. After applying that to my waterline, I'm just going to take the color, I don't even know. I want to do something like really light. I think I'm just going to take the color, I'm not even sure. Maybe just a brown shade and just lightly dust it up under my eye. And then just taking Bloom again, and hopefully I'm in focus, but taking Bloom, and I'm going to take that color right up under the color I just put, or right on top of it rather. And then I'm just going to take some mascara and coat. No, I'm not going to coat the bottom of my lashes. I feel like this lash is like sticking up. Alright, let's see what we're going to do as a... I'm going to wipe this away. Alright, after setting my face, we're going to take some highlight. I think I'm going to use Rose Quartz again for my highlight in my inner corner. And then I'm going to take the color Pearl. Okay, so for blush today, I really didn't know what I wanted to take, but I'm going to take it out of my blush palette, my Tarte blush palette. Maybe I'll do Fortunate. It's like a freaking orange shade, really light. And we're going to take the Nicole Guerrera highlight palette, and I'm think, which color? We're going to go on to Kitty Cat. It is a pink shimmer. We're going to go on to that color as a highlight color today. For lips today, I'm going to be taking the NYX Suede matte liner in the color Leon. And then I'm going to be taking Urban Decay Comfort Matte Lipstick in the color Unicorn. I did take some of BH Cosmetics lipstick. This is the color Tea Time. This lipstick is so old. I don't even know if they sell it anymore. But it matches the eye better. So I'm going to take this on top of those two lip products that I already used. Okay. So here's the finished look, you guys, and I am digging it. I really like it. I had such a hard time coming up with a look because I really was going for a halo eye. I really wanted to do a halo eye with this bloom color, but just didn't work out for me. So I had to keep starting over. But yeah, I am definitely excited for the finished product. I think that is really freaking cute. I love my eyebrows. I love the product that I used, and it was cheap. It was from CoverGirl. I don't know the exact name, but yeah, I'll leave that in the description box below. But I am loving everything about this look. Yeah, it wasn't intended to be on or a Valentine's Day look, but you can definitely use this as a soft Valentine's Day look. These lashes are really light and really small. The look is really just like refreshing, and it's not too much for like a daytime look. So if you are looking for a Valentine's Day look, this could be one of them if you have this palette. But yeah, if you love this look, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you have yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, what are you doing with your life? And yeah, visit my description box for all of my social media handles. And I will see you guys in my next video.